Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to make Steam profile private, and now let's dive right in. Now to make your Steam profile private, first open up your Steam app and log into your Steam account, as I've already logged in over here. Now in order to proceed to make your Steam profile private on this interface, at the top right corner of the screen you can see your username available for us over here at the top right with a drop down arrow over here. Guys, click on your username with the drop down arrow at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of menu will appear where you can see the view my profile option available for us, which is at the top. Click on the view my profile option over here and you land on this interface. Now again, at the right side of this panel you can see there is the edit profile button available for us over here where I'm hovering right now. Click on the edit profile button over here and you will land on this interface, and again over here on the left side of the panel will be required to click on the privacy settings over here just above the Steam points up. Click on privacy settings. Now over here you can see here it says my profile. Now in order to make your profile private on Steam, you can see you'll be required to click on the public button over here, and this kind of interface will this kind of drop down menu will appear where you can see the public, friends only, and private. If you want to make your account available to your friends only, then click on the friends, but if you want to make your Steam account or your Steam profile completely private, click on the private button and it will be saved, you can see over here automatically. And with that being done guys, your Steam profile will be made private. And there guys, this is how to make your Steam profile private. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.